but it's earnings season, so let's focus on a couple of companies. We are talking about UFO movies. The numbers didn't look that great, but that's coming off a very high base. That's the same quarter last year. In fact, the company did reasonably well. We're joined currently by Mr. Kapil Agarwal, the joint MD of the company, who's going to be detailing those numbers. Hi, Mr. Agarwal. Thanks so much for joining in. Revenues did come in low as well by around 8%. I just made that point that, in fact, it's coming off a high base because quarter one of FY16 was splendid. What's the reasoning? We did see a couple of big films that did come out, not enough prints?
No, actually Q1 did not see any big films as a matter of fact. This is the Q2 which is seeing very good traction with movies like Sultan and Qawwali. So Q1 did not have, and as you rightly pointed out, that we had a very big base. Last year Q1, because of the spillover from the World Cup in Jan-March quarter of last year, so April quarter was very good, Q1 was very good. We had almost an 88% growth in the advertising revenue.
Right.
So we had a very big base, and this year with that base we still grew 10% in terms of the advertising revenue, which is very good actually for the first quarter, because first quarter generally is weak. Last year was an exceptional thing.
Well, Mr. Agarwal,
I think the growth has been.
Well, your total income actually is down by 8%, but you made that point about your advertising, revenue is coming higher by close to around 10%. Though you have a big target, 30%. So that means that in the next 3 quarters, you should do more than 35 to around 40% to make up for this, this gap that you're seeing. How confident are you on that front?
Absolutely no issue actually. The revenues which are already in hand, we are absolutely in line with our growth target of 30%. I don't think there is any issue in delivering 30% plus advertising growth. In fact, when you see when the Q2 numbers come out, that itself will explain.
Okay,
in the course of time.
All right, so let's hope for a better quarter too. You're saying that revenues as well are likely to do better. Big films as well coming up, so advertising as well will do quite well. But I want to get your sense on the average advertising minutes that have been sold. I think it's at around 3.9 if I'm not mistaken. On a sequential basis though, it's come down from around 4.5 or thereabouts. Where do you expect this?
Basis, yes. Yeah, but if you see the Q1 last year was only 3.81 minutes. This year Q1 has been 3.97 minutes.
Correct.
So if you make a quarter-to-quarter comparison, it's slightly higher.
Right.
As I said, when you have to achieve a 30% growth, obviously on a trailing quarter you will see substantial growth at the end of the year.
Yeah. So
that's yeah.
Where can this number stabilize then, Mr. Agarwal? Sequential basis, yeah, to be fair to you, it wouldn't be right, though you're saying that it's grown by close to around 6% on a year-on-year basis. So where can this stabilize at around 4.1, 4.2? What's your sense?
No, it should be higher. It should be higher. It should be in excess of 4.5, 5 minutes actually by the time we close this quarter. This year. Actually, the advertising revenue is never equally divided. So last year also we saw one quarter grew by 8% and one quarter grew by 88%.
Okay.
So this keeps fluctuating because that is not really in our hands what movies are coming, and advertisers bet on different kind of movies.
Right.
But overall, I don't see that as a problem.
So that's good news then. You're sounding quite confident. That's where the real delta comes. Advertising revenues will grow by 30%. You're confident. You're saying that the minutes sold per minute as well, per screen, is likely to go up to around 4.5 to 5. So that things are looking good. What can we say in terms of your margins? That's come down. Now that's something that could be a case of worry, or do you expect that as well to pick up to around 35% that you've been normally seeing? Because this time around it came at around 27%.
The margins are actually directly proportional to the kind of ad revenues, because the ad revenue, 55 to 60% of the gross ad revenue directly goes to the bottom line. So if you have 10% growth, it's a different number. When you have a 40% growth or 30% growth, it will be a completely different number. So I don't see really any pressure on the bottom line as well.
Okay, so if your advertising revenues grow, then margins will improve. Final question then, Mr. Agarwal. Your caravan business, I think the number of screens, number of caravans now, I think we are at around 90 plus. Those have been increasing. But when can we see break even coming over there? Because that's going to be dragging otherwise your profitability.
Yeah, actually we had we started the year with 91 caravans. We are not doing any more capex because we want to stabilize this business. And like any other new business, this is going through its own teething troubles, but it is stabilizing. So current quarter, which is Q2, there is, Q1 has actually dragged it down. So when you see 26% net profit after tax is down by 26%, if I remove the losses of caravan, we are up by 6%. So the main business, which is the continuing business, there is absolutely no problem. And Q2 caravan will be shut because of monsoon. There will be no operation. And H2 we are expecting it to stabilize and come into a cash break-even situation. And next year, hopefully, it will be quite profitable. So the operations seem under control now.
All right, Mr. Agarwal, thanks so much for joining in, clarifying all those details. You're sounding pretty confident. All the best for the remainder of this year. As you said, big films have come in the second quarter, Sultan and the likes. That should reflect in your numbers going ahead as well. Stock under pressure today, though the numbers, as the management told us and as we are aware, it's coming on a high base, but they're quite confident about margins improving, revenues as well improving, particularly from the advertising business going ahead. But let's